Good morning, MW-TRADINGWORLD over here. We gonna do a vid today about part 2 altcoins I'm eyeing, wanna buy, and we're gonna chart them and why we're gonna buy them. We're also gonna do some altcoins shared by the retail fam, so I tweeted in the morning, posted the next post about what altcoins they are eyeing, so I'm gonna also do some of those. Let's give a look at them. Yeah, it's going to be a nice altcoin degen vid today, and a lot of alpha shared. Also, I'm gonna give my thoughts about these altcoins and about my overall thoughts about crypto, and yeah, well, where we're heading to. So that's something that I'm going to talk about today, I think. So please push on the like, put on the speed 1.5 on YouTube in the settings, because I'm gonna talk really slow today because I'm a bit tired. Guys, you know me, guys. In the weekends I'm always a bit tired, and it has been really a hard week for me, especially with that freaking yen and all in the financial markets. There was a lot going on, so I've been really not sleeping very well this week. Long days of trading, and so, well, here we are. So I wanted to go and talk about my next altcoin, but before we're gonna go into my next altcoin, I want to show you guys some other stuff before we get jumping into the altcoins. And first of all, I wanted to show you guys the fear and greed. We're at 73, so people are getting a bit more afraid now because they're seeing that Bitcoin, after my vid shared of the imminent Bitcoin crash. If you didn't see it, there will be a pop-up about now. And so go watch that vid and you'll understand. So the fear and greed is people starting to get a bit more fearful. So what do I have more? Yes, I wanted to show you guys this one because I was a bit surprised. Based on some altcoins that I've seen. I would have expected that we would be on in the green over here, 34, 35, but when I checked it, it was at 48, and we already hit like 70. Very strange to me, because if you will look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, we didn't start alt season. So I was looking at this going up from November. I really was not. So we were already almost in the red on altcoin season. I wasn't getting this chart. I wasn't understanding this because we are far from altcoin season. Because altcoin season, this is a chart that shows the altcoin season, and it's sponsored by Binance, as you can see. So we're now in the half. So we're not in altcoin season. We're not in Bitcoin season. We're at 47. So we're in the middle. But in my opinion, this 47 should be over here. It should be around 10 or whatever, because or I don't know how they calculate it, whatever. This chart should be over here somewhere, based on what I'm seeing on my charts and on the altcoins, because this is not looking as it should. And let me show you guys also why that is. Where was it? Oh yeah, here it is. So these are the 50 performance over the last season. Okay, look at this, guys. What are we seeing here? Woof woof, Floki, Pepe. This is Arweave, Fed, Shiba, SDX, Terra. So what I'm seeing here, this is over the last 90 days, guys. Bitcoin is over here in the middle. But what I'm seeing here is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. This whole altcoin rally has been funded by meme coins. And this is really, guys, this is something to be worried about. I know that a lot of people hype and this and that. As crypto investors, we are crypto investors. We are investing in technology. we're investing in tech, and this is like the world is laughing at us. What is this with Floki? This is just all Ponzi scams, guys. And congrats to those that made a lot of money on these meme coins. I also made a lot of money on meme coins, but you don't hear me talking about them a lot. And why? Because this is destroying the crypto markets. There are a lot of good projects like Terra. These are really strong, fundamentally tech companies, and they're changing and helping the world to get better in any way. So I love to invest in projects like Render, like whatever, but I'm Floki, Pepe, and what I'm seeing is that the majority of the pump, so what we're seeing here, this rise up, has been caused by these dogs, these meme coins. And I think that if we, let me just say it like this, I don't think that we have a lot of time left into this bull run, because the bull run is getting created together with the stocks. While the stocks are still holding or rising, that's when projects like Polkadot, like Atom, like ICP, these guys have to rise up, they have to stand up, they have to make the 5x, 10x minimum in a matter of 2-3 months, because the longer we'll get stuck to these dog coins and these shit coins, it's only the manipulators, the scammers, and the degens that will make money and that will get wrecked at the end of the road. And we, as real strong crypto investors, will stay behind. And when the markets, the financial markets, start dumping or crashing or whatever, then it's too late, because we will probably follow them. So this is something I'm a bit worried about. So I really hope that altcoin season, because in my opinion, altcoin season, this is altcoin season. Let me show you, because I'm not eyeing this one. I'm not caring a lot about that one, but this is, in my opinion, altcoin season, because that's no altcoin season. Look at this. Where is this altcoin season they're talking about? Where is it? I see the dominance, it's still at 453. This is no altcoin season. Altcoin season is when this thing comes back to the 39. That's altcoin season. And let me tell you, if Bitcoin will hold a range at 60 or 50, this altcoin season will be much, much bigger than any other of them, because there's so much more money is getting pumped in. So if we will get an altcoin season, I want this thing, this is altcoin season. First of all, come here. Let me, what is it? First of all, we come here, we bounce up, and then we'll get our next one into the green zone. You see, this is altcoin season. Let me make it bigger. It's just, I've been charting this thing from when we were over here, I think. So it's just going. So you see, guys, this is altcoin season. This is altcoin season. And I don't know how they have gotten that 75. It's based on those. It's based on those. Based on those meme coins, I think. But we are far from altcoin season, guys. Don't let these things fool you. This is altcoin. So when this thing comes, dumpster. Just only here, this is altcoin. So okay, let me. I think let me go to my altcoins. Let me go to my altcoins. Okay, let's go and jump into the altcoins. Okay, my next one. Router protocol, or whatever you want to call it. I like this one. It's a low market cap, degen coin, a lot of potential, made a nice run up, came down, and this is where I will be scooping some. So at the 2.5, 2.6 and lower, this is where I will be scooping some route. So I'm waiting to get back. Look, this was the strong accumulation zone, and then we got this run up, and then it comes down. So I'm really waiting for this to come down to the 2.5. And then I will be scooping some router protocol. Yeah, there's not much more I'm gonna say about this. It's just this is based on some research in my top 30, top 40 coins. So I'm gonna scoop some router over here at 2.5, 2.6 until the $2. So if it comes back into this accumulation zone, nice ones up, boom, and then yeah, looking good, looking good. Let me go to the next. Cody. Cody, this chart was, I haven't even changed it. It's still here. So Cody is very simple, guys. Cody comes back, everything below 15 to 10 cents. I'm just gonna buy Cody. So I'm just, whoop, 1, 2, 3. So I'm just waiting for this to come over here. Let me remove this one. So Cody, guys, Cody, I'm just waiting for this to come back into this box over here, and then I'll start scooping. Let me see the indicator. How is it looking? You see, it's the same. This line, we've got the 200 EMA has tested that way. This was, by the way, we made so much money on this drop. We made so much money on this drop. Me and the team. We had a buy orders over here, and they got hit, and it bounced up like crazy back to the. This is massive, massive gains over here. This is, by the way, what I also always try to teach you guys. First of all, indicator, because I keep getting this indicator. Retailers. If you're watching this vid, and you don't own this indicator, you are a fool. You are a fool. You are a fool. And I don't mean it disrespectful, but you are really a fool. So if you're watching this vid and you don't have this indicator, you are a fool. And why are you a fool? Because you're a thief of your own pockets. That's a Dutch saying. You're really a thief. This is by far the best indicator in the markets. And I'm not telling you this because I'm selling it, because I'm not selling it free. So I was giving it in the open markets. Now, if you want to get this one, if you want to get this indicator, you have to be a part of the private group. And the private group, how much do I need to pay to get into the private group? Also, it's free. You don't have to pay me any money for the private group. The only thing that I ask in return from people is that you use the MACD or the weeks link, especially the weeks link, because I don't know how much longer my MACD partnership will end. But the weeks, especially weeks, if you open up an account, the link is below, and you trade on a minimum of 500 bucks. So I don't know wherever you're trading, but if you're also trading on weeks over there, that's how you will get access to the private group. And that's where I will give you the code of this indicator. So you don't have to pay me nothing. It's all for free, but the only requirement is that you trade on MACD or on weeks. So whatever you're trading now, if you want to join the retail fam and the private, and it's not only about this indicator, in the private you get the education, the trading courses, you get trade setups, you get what the team is trading, when they're longing, when they're shorting, etc, etc. And let me just say, our records speak for itself. We nil like more than 90% of our calls. So if you want to join the weeks, the links are below. And by the way, I wanted to show you guys this. There are 18 hours left. 18 hours left, because if you open up an account and you deposit 5k, they will give you 1k as a bonus. There is no exchange out there doing that. And then you don't fall for those clickbaits of 20k, 30k bonuses, because you have to deposit like $500,000 to get those. So this is real. This is no bullshit, no nothing. If you deposit 5k, they will give you 1k in bonus. So you see how it is. 5,000 step 1, $1,000 in future bonus. This is madness, by the way, guys. This is madness. This is madness. I'm thinking about trying to get them to do another campaign like this very soon. So 18 hours left. So that's about that. So where was I? We were at Cody. Cody, how did we make a lot of money? You always put in buy orders on the indicator. Always put buy orders on the indicator. You never know when you get hit. So Cody, for me, guys, again and again and again. So this box over here, everything from the 14, 15 until the 10, I just DCA buy this coin. I don't care, and I will just wait, and if it goes lower, I buy more. It's just simple. You know, guys, Cody is in my top 5 coins, so I'm very bullish on Cody. Okay, let me go to the next. By the way, Cody versus Bitcoin. Look, the box over here needs to get hit, and we got this box. So, guys, Cody's very simple. The lower it goes, the more I buy. The next one, XCAT. This is also one I'm liking a lot, guys. This is one I'm liking a lot. I think that XCAT has got a lot of potential. Guys, put on your alarms over here. If this thing comes back to these zones over here, I'm gonna scoop some. Really, put on those damn alarms over. Let me put this alarm, lower it over here. So if this thing comes to the regions of $1, 90 cents, 90 cents, until 80 cents, it doesn't matter. Everything in this box, I will buy this. I'm bullish on XCAT. I'm gonna buy this. XCAT, look at this nasty candle down. Nasty candle down. I hope that there will be a nasty candle down to here so I get filled. So it's really, guys, XCAT. I'm bullish on XCAT. So XCAT, keep it in mind. Perp. Next one, Perp. Perp is one I have a bit of doubts about Perp. I don't know why, but Perp. Listen, guys, Perp is just one of those super wrecked charts against Bitcoin and also on the USDT pair. So Perp comes back over here. What is this? 75 cents, 80 cents in this box over here. I'll scoop some Perp and just wait it out. That's all I have to say about Perp. Perp is super wrecked, guys. Super. Look at it. Look at this. That's why you have to follow the MW crypto vids. And I would appreciate everyone that is watching my vids to share this vid on X, share it on YouTube, whatever you want to share it, in Telegram, whatever. Because why? When you see making me a vid about altcoins, you'll never see me making a vid from which the price is already over here. And I've been watching today some big influencers, and they keep sharing altcoins that are at top ranges. Does that mean that they couldn't go even up more? They could. But the chances that you'll make big gains on those coins are minimum. Suppose that Perp, I don't know what's going to happen. Suppose that Perp, you bought in because it was wrecked, and Perp makes an announcement that they've got some new AI technology on their project or whatever. You'll see Perp doing something like this. And I'm not saying, I'm just taking Perp now as an example. And when you bought in over here and it went up over here, that's when you will be making a lot of money. But how can you make a lot of money when an altcoin is already at 20, 30, 50 billion dollar market cap, and it's at all-time high levels, and then your favorite YouTube influencer or your crypto X influencer tells you that he's bullish on an altcoin at the top? You know, in my opinion, I'm not saying that it's true, but in my opinion, they're looking for exit liquidity. Because you have to also understand this. A lot of people don't understand this. When an influencer shields a coin, most of the time they are paid to do so. And when they're, and you know, I'm getting a lot of hate lately about from influencers, and they a lot of them block me. A lot of them, they don't want to interact with me. A lot of them, they see that I'm out trading all of them. My predictions are better than all of them, but nobody dares to talk about MW on X. And why do you think that is so? It's because I'm exposing them on how they are making money. And they are making money not by trading or investing in crypto. They are making money on marketing. They're making money out of retailers. They're making money out of shields. They're making money from altcoin projects. So what happens is this: if suppose let's just say suppose perp was over these levels over here. It was over here, and then I'm the owner of perp. I'm gonna describe you guys how it works in real life in crypto. Listen, suppose that this chart was over here, so we were at all-time high. Then me as perp owner, I will be worried. Why? Because we're reaching all-time high, and it could be that a lot of retailers could sell their bags. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna choose like 2 or 3 big influences. I'm gonna use the retail money that's over here, because the retailers pumped this price up. So we had something like this. So the retailers' money is over here. They're all bag holders over here. So me as a bag holder, me as a owner, I've got some coins that I can dump on the markets. But what I'm gonna do is this: I'm not gonna dump those coins on the markets. I choose not to sell them. What I'm gonna do is this: I want more, because I'm greedy. I want more. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna choose like 2 or 3 of those big influences, and I'm gonna give them a lot of these expensive altcoins. And in return, I want them to shill it to their communities. So what happens next is that influencer. Just know that every influencer, they are in crypto for money. They're greedy. They're greedy. You can't imagine how greedy these guys are. So they will sell their parents for money. They will do everything for money. So what they do, oh, wait a minute, this coin is very, and we can get, it's already up, and yes, okay, then they will get like, I'm just giving you guys an example. They'll get like 200k of those coins in USDT value. So what they do is, when they get those coins, they make an arrangement that they cannot sell them before before this perp makes a 2x from here. Otherwise, you cannot sell those coins. So you have to believe in it, and that's the only. But if it makes a 2x, then you'll make a lot of money. So what they start doing is, they start at the top, they start shilling like crazy those coins. And why are they shilling those coins? Because they receive those coins. They want those coins to go up so they can sell them. So if they had 200k of coins, if they shill them up to another double, they will make 400k. So that's what they do, and that's why these guys keep sharing you. Because I really don't get it when I'm eyeing and I'm checking. Why would you shill a coin that already made a 10x, 20x, 30x, and already has got a really big market cap and already is topping out? Why would you share a coin like that to your community? Why would you do that? Well, the answer is just like any answer in the world. The answer is money. And it's you as the retailer that is going to get wrecked. And that's why, when I'm seeing this, that's why for me it's so important that people that follow me or that watch my vid, that like my vids, repost my vids, share my vids, share my posts. It's the only way how I can reach out to all those retailers that are following these famous big accounts, because they're going to fall into a big trap, just like they did the cycle before and the cycle therefore and the cycle therefore, because it's just a circle. It starts over here, it ends the same way. The retailer starts wrecked, he will make money on the way, and then he will end up wrecked even more. It's a circle. It's just like this. This is how it works in crypto. And it's these influences that people follow that cause this. They start over here, they're wrecked. And then they'll go into where they make money, and over here is the top. Here they made sick money. If they're lucky, if they know what they're doing. And then it starts to decrease, and then they end up the same over here, wrecked. And maybe even more wrecked than before. That's how it works. That's how it works. That's why I keep asking. I never ask for money. I never took a dime from anyone. If it's a retailer, it's an altcoin, it's a shiller. I never ever took a dime from anyone. And there's a reason why I don't do that. Because I want to keep my dignity, and I don't need that money, that dirty blood money. I don't need it. But what I do need is that you guys help me. It's only a like on a button and a repost. I also shared it in a private yesterday. Yesterday it was a very good day. The trade shared, a lot of people made a lot of money. The team made sick money yesterday. Again and again and again. But that's normal. But the only thing that I ask in return is, please do like the vid. Give it a like. Okay, because I have to end up this vid very fast, so I've got to go through it. Mask, very simple. Over here, the 2.8 to the 2.1 mask. I'm still bullish on mask, guys. Keep an eye on mask. This mask. 2.8. Okay, let me go further. Ash made a nice run. We killed this breakout. We really killed it, and we killed it both ways. Look at this. We killed the breakout and we killed the target. It's mind-blowing. And guys, you know, MB is bragging about his TA and this and that. No, I'm just the best in CT, and if anyone wants to prove me wrong, come challenge me open and let all the world see if you are better than me. That's just how it is. Let me go further. Rose, guys, I love Rose. I've been loving Rose. I've been buying Rose over here, and I was lucky enough to sell over here. So Rose. Start DCA buying around the 10 cents. Sui, guys, this is the only project that I like that already made a big run up. So Sui, let me put on the indicator. Sui, guys, I think that this thing will be big, and I'm just hoping that this thing will come back to the $1 range. If this thing comes back to the $1 range, I will be buying Sui. Sui, this is a fundamentally, I did some research on this one. Sui is fundamentally a very strong altcoin, and it's a 2 billion market cap. I think that this thing could be very big. So I really hope that this thing will come back to the $1 range on the indicator over here, and then I will start buying some Sui. And then what do we have? We don't have a lot of time anymore. What is it? We've got Nulls. Well, this thing is just madness. We've got ICP. A lot of people ICP. It's too close to my range, and it got some FOMO. $10. Everything below $10 is a buy for me, and just hold on. Just DCA buy. ICP is very strong in my opinion. We got Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is testing the Indie over here. Also very super wrecked chart. Let me see Ethereum. Yeah, this is super wrecked. Ethereum. Let me see, what would I do? Ethereum, it comes back to this double, $68, 75 to $68 is a buy for me. Ethereum, by the way, guys, I'm reading some Ethereum. I don't know what's going on, but Ethereum, if the gaming stories start up again, Ethereum could do something very beautiful. AOIZ, guys, this thing, well, the people that bought in here, congrats. The people that bought in here, congrats. And this thing just made like, let me see, this thing made like the one, what did the 10 80x. Congrats if you bought in AIOZ over here. Really congrats. Dusk 20 cents and lower. What is this? We've got this BBL. I don't know what it is, BBL, guys. Sorry, bro, but I really have no clue what this is. It's not looking good, by the way. Maybe it's looking good. Maybe it's a good buying opportunity, but I have to do some research about this, but it's not. Let me see, token. Token has left off. Dough. Guys, when you share me a coin like this, maybe it could go even much higher, but for me it's no buy. I cannot buy something like this. And this boson, I really have no clue what boson is, but looking good. But this looks like most of the altcoins out there. So guys, boson, Dovi, I really have no clue. This is what the team, this one, by the way, guys, this is getting really super hyped. So guys, if ARK will come back to those regions over here, 76 to 62 in this regions over here, ARK, guys, ARK is, do some research on ARK, guys. This thing is, there is something on this coin, ARK. Just do some research. 63 to 70 cents, I will be scooping some ARK. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna leave it to this. Have a nice one. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.